Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with a bullet designed by Black Mirror here with me for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this guy. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying this kind of content right here, guys. Would you look at that? I mean, this box is insane. Look at this thickness. It's a big box, and it's a big box because it contains a big piece, which is this bullet from Black Mirror design, and this guy comes with these two accessories as well. So really cool box. You've got an acrylic base, so you can just have your bullet standing like that, or like in a horizontal position, or maybe like that. It's basically the same. So it's just gonna be very nicely done, frosty and transparent. And then you've got a couple of tools here. One is going to be to disassemble this guy, and the other one is going to be needed to transform this guy, and we're gonna check it in a second, and we're gonna keep these guys here for now. So, what is this? This is the bullet from BM, Black Mirror designed, 100 made. This guy is made of titanium. It's a beast. It's a solid chunk of EDC goodness and fidgetiness. I don't know. It's a unique product. It's made basically of 3 parts. So these 2 external parts are twisting, are like kind of like the haptic coin, for example, something like that. Okay, which has magnets. There's no roller bearings in this case, just magnets. In fact, you can just see yourself like that. You have these magnets which are attracting and are creating this very neat sound on both sides. It's very cool. You can use one hand and do like that, but it's a little bit on the gritty side. So 2 hands, I think it's nicer, because this is a big toy. It's not something you're gonna toss in your pocket and walk around, because this guy is heavy. I am telling you. This is going to weight a lot, like a lot, guys. 9.25 ounces. I mean, this is, yeah, it's heavy. You don't want to keep this in the pocket, because it's a tough one. It's dense. It's big. This is a desktop fidget, and also has like this central part which is spinning, and there's like these stainless steel balls, and on the inside, I don't know if you can see, like if I'm doing like that, you're gonna see maybe, yeah, this point. You see that there's bearings like in this. Let me do like that. So they are like free. You see? They move and they create this sound, which is unique. I never heard this sound in any fidget toy. So you have this sound, you have this sound, and you have this sound. So basically, you can spin the central part like in your hand, like so. And if you hold this guy like vertically, you're gonna have the ball just by gravity being attracted and just rubbing up against this side, and therefore making this noise. But if you hold it flush, there is kind of like a point where you just don't hear anything, because the balls are gonna be centered, not like that, you see? But they balance themselves out in the center, so the sound is going to be greatly reduced. Then you can remove these 2 guys. This thing, I wasn't able to really take this guy apart. I don't know how. I would love to, but this thing doesn't come apart. But anyways, here you set this guy aside, you take your key, and then you're going to see that you have 2 indentations here on the side of the bearings, which are made for this key, so it's able to take the bearing apart. And then you're going to install this pivot kind of thing on one side, all the way down. This one just stays like that. This one you just put this guy back, I think. Yeah. I don't know if you can use the key. It don't. So actually, you don't put this guy back because there's. Yeah, there you go, and you have this. This is kind of like a little bit more portable, of course. Still a big boy. And let's see, the size on this guy is gonna be, let's say, let's do it correctly, like here. It's gonna be 2.04 inches and with a 1.42 inches diameter. So that is not too big. When this guy is together, just put this guy back together. Just unscrew this one, screw back the bearing with this ring, and we're gonna check the overall length. So you can just use your thumb at the beginning and then just grab the key and have it nicely secured in place. And this overall is going to be 2.99 inches. And let's see, like the girth of this guy is going to be 1.52 inches. So it's yeah, it's a big boy. Let's just quickly check up against, for example, this is the gamer clicker Zirk. This is the Lauti Shuffle, the King, and Muji. That's the Capsule Spinner, and Bulletproof Shield EDC Lung. Really cool one indeed. And what else? I'm just gonna show you a couple of Unbury coin. That's the mid-size, and this is the Timascus, the full size, let's say. So you can see this guy is like a beast. And another couple, Guy one. This is the Muji Spinner. So it's not a small one, but yeah, you can see that that's the side. And just to show you, like to put this thing in perspective, this is the Lauti and Muji as well collaboration. This is the pawn from the chess series. So you can see this is not a small toy. It's it has a very unique look. It looks like straight up from the future. It's beautifully made, fantastically symmetrical, nicely done in titanium, heavy. It's big. It has a nice base. You can just use it as a desktop ornament. It's by itself because it's so gorgeous looking. Feels great in the hand, nicely chamfered. Beautifully machined 3D milled titanium. The sound, it's very nice when you spin this, and it's a unique one because it can be silent, almost silent in the center if you manage to balance, or you can have it rattling like that with these balls, ball bearings on the titanium. So it's a multi-fidget. It's not for the pocket. It's heavy. It's expensive. It's fantastically done. It's the Black Mirror design bullet, and I love it. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.